Team, we're gonna use our cast iron pan today to fire up a couple Bavette steaks from Starwalker Organic Farms. Guys, we got some roasted garlic, got some rosemary going in. You're not gonna wanna miss this one. Speaking of Starwalker Farms, they are the sponsor of this week's video, but more on them in a bit. Team, the Bavette steak is often served in French bistros. It offers a rich beefiness, reminiscent of a ribeye, but is a lot more versatile. And it's actually a little bit more budget friendly. It has a lot of great marbling, a lot of great flavor, and a lot of great texture. All right, team, we're gonna go ahead and give these a little dry brine. We're gonna take these, salt them up, give them some time to absorb some of that salt, right? Had a glove up for that. Makes it a little easier, a little cleaner for me out here. All right. These are pretty thin cuts of the Bavette steak, but they look gorgeous. There's plenty of marbling on there. Look at that, nice little fat lines running through it. Just, fat is flavor. So I'm very flavorful. Let's let these chill out for a little bit and absorb some of that salt. Team, while we let those steaks dry brown a little bit with that salt, I want to talk about this week's sponsor, Starwalker Organic Farms. All right, guys, I've been using their meats for a while now. I haven't quite presented them out yet. I want to make sure I was in fully with these guys before I present them to you all. But guys, this is the real deal. Regenerative, organic, certified protein. All right. Now listen, that means they're treating their protein right. All grass-fed, no hormones, none of that stuff. And you can tell by the look of this meat how deep and red the color is of that meat as opposed to what you get at the grocery store, where it's light pink, not full of flavor, not full of vitamins and minerals, all the stuff you need, all right? And part of me partnering up with Starwalker Farms, I was able to curate my own protein box, all right? So when you use my link and my code down below, not only does it save you 20% on your subscription box, right? But you get an actual box that I curated and all the stuff that I love the most, all right? Now, if you don't actually like what's in my subscription box, you can feel free to find another subscription box in their setup. But the moral of the story is my code and link saves you 20%. So you guys are going to want to check that out. All right. And guys, now through August 1st, 2026, I'm going to set up a giveaway valued at $500 to all those who subscribe. All right. Now you need to email me proof of your subscription, and I'll put my email address in the description box down below. But guys, you definitely want to get in on this. Now, whether you're winning a grill, some cookware, cast iron, maybe even another big Starwalker Farms box. Either way, I'll work that out with the winner, okay? But you guys need to send me proof by August 1st that you've done your subscriptions, right? And it needs to be a box valued over 150 bucks on your subscription, okay? So thank you, Starwalker Organic Farms, for sponsoring this video. So let's get that cast iron fired up, get those steaks searing off. Let's go. Time to get our Lodge cast iron ripping hot. We got some butter on the side here, got a rosemary, and I got some roasted garlic that I've already, made. Guys, it's real simple. Take your garlic bulb, little olive oil, little salt, little pepper, wrap it in a tin foil, throw it in the oven for an hour, 350. You'll have roasted garlic in no time. Once we get these seared up on one side, we're giving them a flip, let them start searing, add that butter, the rosemary, and the roasted garlic, do a little butter baste, and then we'll be ready to roll. Let's get a little high heat oil in there. It's a little avocado oil. And I would open your doors or turn on your vents. Anytime you're using cast iron to do a steak, you know what's gonna happen. Watch them smoke alarms. Smoke is rolling. Let's get our steaks in. Shoo! It's a hot one. Sear up the one side for about a minute or two, and we'll give it a flip. Ooh, that pan is ripping hot, baby. Look at the color on them steaks. Let's get our butter in, get that melting, get a couple of sprigs of rosemary in. And we're gonna go in with a couple cloves of the roasted garlic. Got mixing around in there. Y'all, if you could smell what is going on in this studio, y'all would lose your mind. And we're just gonna baste on that butter. Guys, this is gorgeous. All right, y'all, these are temping about where we want to be. We're gonna take these off and let them rest, and then we'll chop into them. Time to slice into these bad boys. Now we're treating it, kind of like any other steak. You see the grains are running along this way. So I'm gonna cut this piece in half. You can see the inside. Beautiful medium rare, right? And now we're gonna cut across the grain, or against the grain. You hear that crust. Ooh. Just get a little salt on it. There we go, baby. Let's get a bite. That's a beautiful looking piece right there. Medium rare, right? All right, team, we're about to take a bite of the steak, but before I do, just want to remind everybody, don't forget about the giveaway. Sign up for Starwalker Organic Farms meat subscriptions. You won't be sorry. You can make awesome Bavette steaks just like this, but so many other proteins too. So, all right. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe too. I mean, you're here, you might as well, right? Right. All right, let's get a bite. Hear me now, believe me later. This has to be one of the most tasty pieces of meat I've ever had. So much great beef flavor. Clean, tasty. The butter, the garlic, the rosemary, only made it better, baby. Listen, guys, that's it. Thank y'all for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.